Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy tofu pudding. Refer to the description for the complete recipe. Tofu powder is available in most Chinese herbal stores. Scoop out 3 tablespoons of cold soya milk first. Mix the cold soya milk with the 2 powders. Cook rest of soya milk to 90 degrees Celsius. Right before the soy milk is ready, mix the paste again. To make sure the paste is smooth and without crumbs, pour the hot soy milk into the paste. Do not stir or move. Cover for 20 minutes. Peel off the bubbles on top. Scoop out the tofu pudding now. Serve with ginger syrup or honey, maybe some fresh fruit like mangoes. Enjoy!